Describe the experience in the doctor here.
Oh, very good.
Yeah?
And very cheap. A consultation, saw the doctor, physical exam, an ultrasound, all for like $60.
And in US, how much would you pay?
Oh, it would have been thousands.
Hey guys, today in this video I have a special guest with me. It's Jerry from Texas and he's my neighbor. And today I want to show you his apartment that is bigger, close to the beach, in the same building like me. And we're gonna also talk about differences between living in US and Vietnam. So, hi Jerry.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having me here in your apartment. This is so nice. And tell us something more about you. You know, where you're from originally, when did you retire, and why did you choose to live in Da Nang, Vietnam?
Well, I'm from Texas. I was born and raised in Texas, but I've lived all over the U.S. working. I worked in the IT industry for a long time, for over 30 years. So, and then I decided to retire, and it's so expensive in the United States, I decided to try Asia because I had heard it was a lot cheaper to live in Asia.
Have you ever been to Asia before?
No, this is my first time. So I decided to come to Da Nang and use it as a base to check out Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, and this whole area.
How old are you?
65, yeah.
When did you retire?
In April.
Okay, and then right after the retirement, you decided to move to Asia, yes?
Yes, I came here the 1st of May.
1st of May, okay.
Yeah.
And why did you choose Vietnam? How did you came with this idea of moving to Vietnam?
Well, of course, I was watching tons of videos on YouTube about people retiring, and everybody just said Da Nang was the place to go. So I figured, why not?
Yes. So why Da Nang?
Well, because it was cheaper and it's a good location for traveling to Thailand. You can go to Bangkok very cheap. You can go to Malaysia very cheap. So I just wanted to get in this area, and then I kind of use it as a base and travel around, check out other parts of Asia.
Okay. And do you have this visa that is multiple entries? So you
Yes,
can travel with
yes,
it?
yes.
So you visited some other countries?
No, I haven't, but I'm going to this month or next month.
Where do you go?
I'm going to Bangkok.
To Bangkok.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go there for a week, and then maybe the month after I'm going to go to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and check it out.
That's what I want to do. For now, I only use the $25 Vietnam visa, which is one entry.
Oh, yeah.
I can only travel within Vietnam.
Right. Then when you come in and out of Vietnam, yes, yes.
But definitely Vietnam is a place to be, yeah, because the beach is just here.
Yeah, the beach is here. There are a lot of expats that live here, a lot of Americans, a lot of Australians, a lot of English people.
Yeah. What about the community? Do you have already here like some friends from US or from other countries?
No, I have friends from Russia and Brazil here.
Yeah, there's so many Russians here.
Yeah, a lot of Russians. And Nha Trang is even more Russians, I hear.
I heard that.
In Nha Trang is nothing but Russians, yeah. All of the store signage is in Russian in Nha Trang. Yeah.
But how do you deal here with the communication with Vietnamese?
I just use Google Translate.
Same. Because not everybody speaks very well English here, but they have this tool sometimes in the stores when they translate or.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
That's true.
But the important places do have English, like the Mech Hospital. They have English-speaking doctors there. And if you see a doctor that does not speak English, they have a translator standing there with you the whole time.
And I think many people are watching now from US and thinking like, how do you compare living here compared to life in US?
It's really about the same. It's a lot less expensive here. And the quality, for instance, this is a brand new building, just opened in July. Well, we've had a couple of big rainstorms, and the entire wall in the stairwell, they have a leak in the roof somewhere. So, and like the painting on the balcony railing is already starting to peel off. And it's just, July, August, September, October, that's been open 3 months.
I've noticed because I recently was shooting video about showing the area. There is like at least 10 new buildings, constructions growing next to our house.
Yeah.
They build so fast.
Yes, they do.
That's the reason that they work very, fast, but maybe it's not a good quality.
Yeah, it's not top quality, but it's serviceable. I mean, it's a nice apartment. I like it. It's comfortable. It's air conditioned, and utilities are cheap.
And are you planning to stay in Vietnam for longer, like for a few years, or what's your plan?
For another 6 months.
For another 6 months. Okay, and then? And
then maybe, I don't know, maybe Central America, maybe South America. I'm not sure. Maybe Europe. I don't know.
Yeah. And in United States, you are from Texas, but you lived also in other places, yeah?
Yes. Oh, everywhere. Virginia, Kansas, Colorado, Florida, Mississippi, California, Nevada, all over.
And which one is your favorite?
Nevada, by far. Las Vegas, yeah.
So let's talk about something that everyone wants to know, the cost of living. So you told me recently that back in California, you were paying for rent around 3,000 US
Yes,
dollars?
yes, for a one-bedroom, same size apartment as this.
Okay, and here for this apartment, how much?
520.
520.
Yeah.
So it's a big change, yeah?
Right, and that's expensive by Vietnam standards. I mean, really expensive. But it's a brand new building. I'm the first to live here. It's close to the beach. It's in a very quiet neighborhood.
And how did you find this place?
On Facebook, I happened to see an ad, and I was the second person to see the building. The day they posted it, just like an hour after they posted the video.
And how much do you spend in total living in Vietnam? Like for rent and groceries and activities?
Yeah, it's funny you asked that because I just kept track of every dime I spent last month, and it was $2,050.
$2,050. Wow. So
which is a lot.
It's a lot, but it's still cheaper than your rent for now.
Right. But it is a lot for Vietnam, but it's because I eat out a lot of Western food.
Which is more pricey than the local food.
Right, which is way more pricey than the local food. And I eat a lot of good restaurants too. Yeah. So a good chunk of it is restaurants, and I waste a lot of money, buying stuff I really don't need. Like I bought that air fryer that was, $70. So.
Yeah, but it's very useful.
Yeah, I mean, it's yeah.
Okay, so you pay rent, then food, eating out, but you also cook sometimes, yeah?
Right.
Okay, so where do you do groceries?
I get it at Lottie Mart. I like Lottie Mart because they have prepackaged salads that are already washed. All you do is open them and put dressing on it and eat it.
Easy. And then apart from rent and food, do you also have some like a fixed payment, like mobile? Yeah,
my mobile phone, well, my Google plan in the US, I kept it. It's only $20 a month. But to get a Viatel SIM card, I give them $200,000, which is about $8 every 6 weeks or so. And it lasts me. Yeah, it's very cheap here. Yeah. Very, very cheap.
And the gym you don't pay because you use the one we have on the room.
Right. And my only other expenses are medical. I've been to the doctor a couple of times, my prescriptions every month. I just went to the pharmacy and asked if I could get medicine there. And they said, oh yeah. And I gave them a list. They said, here you go.
Yeah, you don't need prescription, yeah?
Yeah, and I did not know that. So I've actually been to the hospital here 3 or 4 times just to see doctors and get my prescriptions updated. But this time I thought, well, I'm going to see the pharmacy and just see if I can walk in and get them. And they said, yeah, here they are.
Oh,
so
that's so easy.
Yeah. So
once I also got antibiotic here in pharmacy without any prescription.
Yes, you can get antibiotics. Yes, you can get blood pressure medicine. You can get cholesterol, atorvastatin. You can buy that over the counter here.
How would you describe the experience in the doctor here?
Oh, very good. Yeah? And very cheap. As a matter of fact, I had a consultation, saw the doctor, physical exam, an ultrasound, all for like $60.
Really?
Yeah.
And in US, how much would you pay?
Oh, it would have been thousands for an ultrasound, yeah.
And I heard also that here you can just come to the hospital and you have the same day you can get the appointment, right?
Oh, yeah. The first time I went was just to see a doctor to get my prescriptions refilled. And I got there like 5 minutes until 9 in the morning. And I went to the reception desk and I said, I want to make an appointment. And they said, okay. And they said, well, your appointment's at 9 o'clock. And I was shocked. I was like, well, it's like 1 minute till 9. They said, yeah, go upstairs. They'll see you now. So I went upstairs. There's the International Travel Clinic is what it's called, but that's where all the English-speaking doctors are. Okay. And it was in and out. I was there, and they did blood work, and I was gone by 10 o'clock in the morning. So.
Oh, $60.
Yeah.
It's a good price. And do you have some travel insurance?
No, not medical insurance. I have hospitalization only, but not outpatient.
What does your typical day look like? In that night, what do you like to do? Like in the morning, what time you wake up?
Yeah, I get up, make my coffee, go to the gym, go to the beach, ride around town. Really, I'm retired, so I really don't have any set schedule.
Yeah, okay. So every day looks different, yeah?
Yeah. Every day's different, yeah.
And how do you find people here, like the local people, Vietnamese?
Very nice. Yeah, they're very friendly. I go to the park sometimes at night. I walk the park just a block over. Yes, and the first week I was here, I was a little shocked because I was walking around the hotel where I was staying, and there was a park like that, and I walked over to the park like 7 o'clock at night, and it was full of people. And they were all exercising, they're playing badminton, they're using the little exercise stations. Old people, young people, they were dancing. And I was like, that's why all the Vietnamese people are so fit, because that's what they do in the afternoon. Whereas Americans go home and sit their fat ass on the couch and drink beer and watch TV and do nothing, you know.
Okay, so now maybe we'll show your apartment. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna do a quick apartment tour. So here it's the entrance and here is the washing machine. And a little storage. Okay. And here is the kitchen. Okay, so you have bigger apartment than mine and the kitchen is very nice. Yes. I can see you have two
burner electric induction stovetop.
And you have there next to the door. Okay, so the kitchen is a bit bigger here. Very nice.
Yes, it has tons of storage. I don't know what you would put in all these cabinets, but it's there if you want it.
Yeah, and here you have a dining room. Here you can work or
play cards.
Yes, spending time. And then here is a nice living room area. Very nice, beautiful. Okay. TV.
And of course it has a TV. Yeah.
And here the balcony is very nice. It has a sea view. Yeah?
Yes, if you look between the apartments and the trees, you can see the ocean.
It's like the view we have from the gym, from the rooftop, but here it's a bit lower. It's the 4th floor.
Right.
And we have like a 5 floors. And here is a dryer.
Right, dryer.
So it's very spacious, this place. A lot of space here for one person. It's very nice. And here it's separate bedroom with extra air condition, yes?
Yes, it has another air conditioner in the bedroom.
Oh, air conditioner and a second balcony actually. Yeah?
A second balcony, yes.
Okay, so the bedroom here you have wardrobe and a desk.
Yeah, you could use that to work from home or...
But I think you probably spend most of the time in the living room.
I do, yeah. It has tons of storage in here too.
It's, as you can see, it's the same style. Like my apartment, I have exactly the same, furnitures and flowers.
Yes.
I did a video about my apartment tour, so if you want to watch it, I will link it in the description below. My apartment is smaller, it's like a studio.
Right, they only have studios and 1 bedrooms in this building, except they have 1 2-bedroom on the 5th floor.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it has just a regular shower.
Okay, and here bathroom, yeah. The same like mine, but bigger. And shower.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, shower is I think the same size like mine. And all of this for $520
a month.
per month. This is included already with the Wi-Fi and electricity.
Yeah, it includes Wi-Fi, but there's extra about $1.20 for water. And then your electric you have to pay.
And in electricity, how much?
I think my last electric was 1.2 million. So that's about $50 maybe. Or
in US, in Texas, how much would you pay for electricity monthly?
Oh, and where I was living in California, maybe $250, $300 a month for electricity.
Wow, that's...
Yeah, so here it's very cheap. It's 4,000 dong per kilowatt hour.
Yeah. And during the night you run those 2 ACs or just one?
No, I run this one 24 all day, and then when I go to bed, I shut my door. I turn this one off and use the one there in the bedroom. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sleeping here without AC is difficult. Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah.
So Jerry, thank you so much for this nice conversation and showing us your apartment.
Sure.
And tell me, like, if you have any message to the people from US, like your age, who are thinking where to retire, what would you say? Like, if they are considering, let's say, Vietnam or other places?
I would say, as long as you don't mind the heat and humidity, Vietnam's great.
That is great. Yeah.
It's cheap. It's affordable. It's nice. People are nice. The food's good. It's a very nice place to live. Yeah. Yes, it's very safe. The only thing an older person really needs to watch out for is the sidewalks. Because they're awful. Oh my God.
Yeah, we don't have sidewalks in Vietnam. You have to walk on the street.
You have to walk in the street, which is not a problem because the mopeds go around you. The cars don't even come close to you. The mopeds, they know how to go around people because that's just where you walk in Vietnam is in the street. But the sidewalk, we do have some sidewalks, but the the tiles are very uneven, so you really have to watch where you walk.
Yeah, because most sidewalks here are for what? Scooters to park or businesses or like
Right.
chairs from the restaurants or someone
Right.
else having shop there.
Right, yeah.
I think the only downside would be that you have to do a visa round every 3 months.
Every 90 days. So yeah.
So I think a lot of people find this inspiring, this interview, this conversation.
Yeah. So as long as you can do it, you don't have any family obligations or anything, and you got a little money saved up, I would say go for it, because you just never know, where you might find your next place you want to live.
Are you planning to ever return to US?
No, not right now. I'm not. I mean, I may. It just depends on what what happens. But.
Yeah, I also heard that some people from US might think that Mexico is very affordable to go to retire.
Yeah.
But I think Vietnam is more. Much cheaper.
Oh yeah. Vietnam's way more. Yeah, way more cheaper.
I think Vietnam is maybe it's not the cheapest country in the world, but for what you get here, I think it's so.
Yeah, I think it's Vietnam, Cambodia. I understand is very cheap.
Thailand is not that cheap anymore, I think.
That's what I've heard. I don't know, but I've heard that. I mean, it all depends on what you want, though. Yeah. I mean, if you want to live on $800 a month, you could do it here in Vietnam.
Okay, guys. So thank you so much for.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this and tips about living in Da Nang and Vietnam, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Do not drop up. So thank you, guys.
All right.
Bye. See you in the next video.